Today I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite Home Assistant automations that make my life easier every day. And I'll share the code with you in the description. Let's get to it. Let's start with my home gym. Whenever I start a workout, I have to open my phone, open up the Sonoff app, go through YouTube Music, find the playlist I want, put it on shuffle. There's too many steps. The solution? NFC stickers. These are insanely cheap and open up an entire world of possibilities. Now when I start a workout, I just take my phone, hold it up to the NFC sticker, and it automatically plays my heavy metal playlist on shuffle. And you know what? It's probably the easiest automation I've programmed. But I didn't stop there. I also put 3 more stickers in my kitchen, so this way when my family sits down for a meal, we can tap either one of the 3 stickers to play 3 different types of relaxing music while we're eating. Sure, I can do this with my voice, but then Google takes so much time reiterating what it's doing.
Got it. Coffee shop music. Relax jazz cafe guitar, instrumental background by Relaxing Piano Life. Here it is on YouTube Music.
Isn't that ridiculous? But when I use the NFC stickers, it just plays the music. And that only scratches the surface with what these NFC stickers can do. I highly recommend getting a pack. They're insanely inexpensive. This next automation may be the most important one I've created so far. Why? Because it executes so many different things at the press of one button. Every night when I go to bed, I need to make sure that the door is locked, the garage is closed, all the lights in the house are off, the alarm is armed, and I also like my Google Nest Hub to play The Sound of Rain at a volume of 60%. So what I did is I created an entire automation to do all these things with the press of a Zigbee button. I normally use this button to control the lights in my room, but now when I press and hold the button for a few seconds, it'll initiate this automation. It locks the smart lock on my front door, it closes the garage door, it turns off all the lights in my bedroom, then it arms my alarm, it sets my Google Nest Hub display to 60% volume and plays rain sounds. Then it proceeds to turn off all the rest of the lights in my entire house. All of these things by holding down one button. Such a huge time saver. And of course you don't need to use a Zigbee button. You can set up a voice command, you can run it from your phone, you could use an NFC sticker, and yeah, that one's really useful. Moving on, the next one is a reminder. I don't know if you or anyone in your family needs to take medication every morning, but there's nothing worse than forgetting that you didn't take your medication after you're out of your house. Well, maybe there's some things worse. Every morning at 7 a.m., Home Assistant will display a medication alert, and not only does it appear on my phone, but all of the Google speakers in my house make the same notification.
Good morning. This is your 7 a.m. reminder to take your pill.
So sure, this can be done by just setting a daily alarm on my phone, which is also there, but it's really cool that it alerts the entire house of this. Short, sweet, and useful. Okay, you know what? Actually, this next one may be the most important one. Every once in a while, I really need to get in touch with my wife, and I know she's home, and she does not pick up the phone. Unlike me, whose phone is always on me all the time, my wife's phone could be literally anywhere. And this is one of the most frustrating things in my entire universe. So I created this automation in Home Assistant where all of my Google speakers and Nest Hubs in the entire house say,
"Attention, attention, please call Scott."
And not only does it keep repeating this over and over for the span of 5 minutes, but it also starts turning my lights on and off in batches around the entire house. So basically, if I need to reach anyone in my house, I'm gonna get their attention with this one. Now this next one is really just for fun. I replaced my outdoor garage lights with a couple of matter bulbs so I could change colors during holidays, birthdays, anniversaries, whatever. But then I have to remember when all the holidays are and manually program, and I thought, why not just do an automation? So I created an automation where my garage lights will change automatically whenever it's a major holiday or one of my family's birthdays or anniversaries. I just chose the dates that I thought were important, picked which colors I thought best matched those holidays or events, and now whenever a holiday or special event happens, my garage lights turn on in these special colors. I actually grouped this in with an even more useful automation that I already had, which turns my garage lights on every day at sunset and turns them off every day at sunrise. So that's it, short and sweet. I'm gonna drop all the YAML code in the description for you, in case you wanna see how I did it personally, and I'll strip out any of my entity names and whatnot. I'll also include the NFC stickers, the Zigbee button, and whatever else I mentioned in this video. And then I'm gonna go create some more. If you found this useful, fun, exciting, if you want to wait for the next batch, please subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching.